Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best toilets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the RFN OnePiece Toilet. This model is a great choice for those who want a sleek and modern look in their bathroom without breaking the bank. The seamless one-piece design not only looks elegant, but also makes it easier to clean, eliminating the crevices where dirt can accumulate. Its elongated bowl and dimensions of 27.1 by 15.5 by 31.1 inches offer a comfortable seating experience. The dual flush system is efficient, providing 1.1 GPF for light flushes and 1.6 GPF for heavier loads, all while maintaining a MAP score of 900 grams for robust flushing performance. This model also features a soft close seat that prevents loud slamming, a nice bonus for households with kids or light sleepers. However, while the ceramic build is durable, some users have mentioned that the included seat isn't as high quality as they'd like. Overall, the RFN OnePiece Toilet is a compelling option for its price, combining a minimalist look with reliable performance. If you're after a toilet that balances aesthetics and functionality without going over $300, this one is worth considering. That said, the slightly lower customer satisfaction rating compared to others on this list keeps it at the 5th spot. Coming in at number 4 is the Deer Valley Compact One-Piece Toilet, a standout option for small bathrooms. Measuring only 24.6 inches from the wall, this model is designed to save space while still offering comfort. The nearly 17-inch seat height and 18-inch seat length ensure an ergonomic experience, making it a great fit for anyone, including seniors or those with mobility challenges. This toilet features a high-efficiency dual flush system with 0.8 GPF for light flushes and 1.28 GPF for heavier loads, helping to reduce water waste and utility bills. The soft close seat is another thoughtful touch, preventing loud noises and minimizing wear and tear. This model's fully glazed ceramic bowl and skirted trapway make cleaning a breeze, and its stain-resistant surface ensures it retains its glossy white finish for years. However, with a slightly higher price tag of $301.71, this toilet may not offer the best value for those on a tight budget. Despite this, its space-saving design and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for compact bathrooms. If you're looking for a toilet that combines efficiency, comfort, and a modern aesthetic, this one is worth adding to your shortlist. At number 3, we have the Deer Valley DV-1F026 Elongated One-Piece Toilet, which offers a great balance between style and efficiency. Its sleek, modern design fits effortlessly into most bathroom aesthetics, while its elongated bowl and comfortable seat height of nearly 17 inches provide a pleasant user experience. Measuring 28.75 by 14 by 28 inches, this model is well suited for standard-sized bathrooms. One of the standout features is its dual flush system, which uses only 0.8 GPF for light flushes and 1.28 GPF for full flushes. This can save up to 16,500 gallons of water annually compared to older 3.5 GPF models. The fully glazed, self-cleaning surface not only resists yellowing, but also makes maintenance a breeze. This toilet also comes with a lifetime after-sales service, which speaks volumes about the manufacturer's confidence in its quality. While it lacks a specific price point in our research, its robust features and strong 4.4-star customer rating make it a solid mid-tier choice. If you're looking for a modern, water-efficient, and easy-to-maintain toilet, the DV-1F026 is a reliable pick. In the runner-up spot, we have the Deer Valley DV-1F026R Elongated One-Piece Toilet. This model is our budget-friendly pick, priced at just $27, yet it doesn't skimp on performance. Its dual flush system, offers 1.1 GPF for lighter loads and 1.6 GPF for heavier ones, making it both water-efficient and powerful. With a flush score of 800 grams, you can count on this toilet to handle waste effectively while staying clog-free. The sleek, modern design and ADA-compliant seat height make it a versatile option for most bathrooms. At 16 and 7/8 inches high, it's comfortable for a wide range of users, including seniors. The fully glazed surface resists stains and is easy to clean, ensuring a fresh look over time. Installation is also straightforward, thanks to its 10-inch rough-in and user-friendly instructions. While it lacks some premium touches, like a soft-close seat, the DV1F026R delivers excellent value for its price. Whether you're renovating on a budget or just need a reliable, no-frills toilet, this Deer Valley model is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the top spot, we have the Toto Drake 2-piece elongated toilet. Known for its premium features and exceptional performance, this model combines Toto's advanced Tornado Flush system with a smooth Cephion-teched glaze. The result? A powerful, circular flush that ensures the bowl stays spotless with minimal water usage. At 1.6 GPF, it hits the sweet spot between performance and conservation. The universal height design makes it comfortable for most users, meeting ADA compliance for accessibility. Its two-piece construction is slightly more traditional, but the modern styling and quality craftsmanship ensure it looks great in any bathroom. The elongated bowl provides extra comfort, and the 12-inch rough-in makes installation straightforward. However, keep in mind that the wax ring and water supply line are sold separately. Priced at $326.34, the Toto Drake is the premium pick on our list. And for good reason. Its reliability, high-end features, and strong 4.3-star customer rating make it a superb choice for anyone seeking the best toilet experience. If you want a high-performance model that's built to last, the Toto Drake is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.